Hi, I'm Chris Long with Go Fish Digital, and welcome to another episode of 60 Second SEO. Today we're going to talk about how you can generate a large keyword list very quickly by using a tool like Mergewords. This works well if you have a lot of keywords you want to track that are all going to have a very similar structure. So let's use an example where, let's say you want to rank for queries around coupons and discounts for a lot of pizza chains in the US. So you might do some research and find a list of pizza chains. Let's copy and paste our list here. We have 62 different ones. And then we might want to think about all the different types of discount keywords we want to rank on. Coupons, promo codes, discounts, deals. And maybe we also want to see, hey, is there anything for, by the year, to user search by the year? So now just by doing that, immediately I've generated about 500 different word combinations. And here I can see that list. Now I can quickly insert that list into tools like Keyword Planner, Ahrefs, whatever you're using, to see if there's search volume around this. Quickly generating keyword ideas by using a simple tool like Mergewords works great, especially if you have keywords that all use a very similar structure like this example here.